I didn't fight for this. This is communism. You know, I mean, how in the world can they take away the First Amendment, which is the freedom of speech and the right to assemble? That's all the First Amendment, but it's the principle of the thing. And we're losing our constitutional rights. And I get called, you know, a tin hat or a tinfoil hat or whatever it is. And, you know, it's a frightening time right now. So anybody who violates what they call the elite or Silicon Valley, we're in trouble. And so I'm hesitant to say anything today. That's the worst part about it. You know, I went to a party the other night, and we felt like we were back in Prohibition time, you know, like we're just friends getting together. And my doctors are there and all that, you know, and they're going, boy, if everybody ever found out about this, they'd come and lock us up. There is something so sinister about this whole thing. So my concern is we're messing with a power that has authority over the Constitution of the United States. Even my friend Jim Rickards, you know, of Currency Wars and all that, he treads lightly on it. He calls them the elites. He doesn't name them. And the guys that named them get taken down. That's my concern. So I'm going to be, you know, I'm going to mind my P's and Q's because, as the guy said to me, vaccines, Bill Gates, Robert Kennedy Jr., that's not your territory. But I do know a lot about vaccines, and it's big business. Let's just say that. And the press calls us white supremacists. That's how they said this red pill is a bunch of white supremacists. And I said, God, when did I turn white? You know, that's what I said. They didn't think it was too funny. But they never even showed up. They already branded us as white supremacists. But it was the first time, this is about 4 or 5 years ago, I saw these nurses running around in their little nurses outfits, you know. So I asked them, so what the heck are you guys doing here? This is supposed to be, you know, the red pill is about the matrix. You know, you see the truth or you see the blue pill, you see the bullshit. So these nurses are running around and said, why are you guys here? And they said, what we're protesting is the insurance companies, the health insurance and big pharma. They require us to inject drugs into people who don't need it to keep the price high. And it said, when we refuse to inject whatever they inject, I don't know, I'm not a doctor. They said, we can't do it in good conscience. We're killing people, or we're just jacking up the bill. And only until I went into the emergency room for one stitch, when I got the bill for $34,000, did I get the message. And then I went to another red pill. This time it was in Connecticut. And there was a doctor who stood up there and he explained the business of vaccines. The business model of a vaccine is they cannot be sued if the vaccine kills somebody. So that takes away the whole impetus of responsibility. And then they said there's so many vaccines now that they don't really have to track them. But the biggest thing is this: if they can get it mandated that the vaccine be mandatory, and then the business model works.